The following presentation includes detailed instructions on the installation of Rapid Test hardware and software. Material needed for installing into a distribution board. You will need suitable building wire or multi-core cable. Orange building wire is recommended. For all 240 volt power cabling, please use standard AS3000 colours for line, neutral and earth. Test bus should be wired in 1.5mm building wire, red is recommended. DIN rail may be required if mounting in a switchboard. Unboxing Rapid Test hardware. When unpacking the master Wi-Fi module, part code RTTUWF, you should see in the box a master with the barcode sticker attached. The barcode represents your SSID Wi-Fi identification, a switchboard sticker, an additional barcode sticker, and an installation guide. When unpacking the channel module, part code RTRB24, you should see in the box a channel board with the barcode sticker attached, a 500mm communication fly lead, 24 individual RCD identification stickers, an installation guide, and an RJ11 dust bung to be inserted into the unused communication port. Place the Rapid Test RCD identification stickers next to the connected RCDs. This provides easy identification. Place the Rapid Test switchboard sticker on the escutcheon for easy identification of a Rapid Test protected switchboard. This also allows for the person testing to provide a visual indication the testing is being conducted on this site. Place the additional master barcode sticker on or near the switchboard identification sticker for easy identification of the Wi-Fi master you are connecting to, as there may be several switchboards in close proximity emitting multiple SSIDs. Installing master and channel boards. Please bridge the lockout switch terminals with a small cable or connect to a key switch for added security. Connect line, neutral and earth from a dedicated breaker. This is the preferred method of supplying power to the Rapid Test master. Please label the nominated breaker for power up on the switchboard escutcheon. The Wi-Fi activate terminals are for waking up the Rapid Test master if you are supplying 24/7 power. This is achieved via a normally open, momentary push button wired to these terminals. Connect the communications fly lead from the master jack labelled Channel Modules to the channel board jack labelled From Master Previous Module. If installing multiple channel boards, connect the communications fly leads between the jacks labelled Next Module and From Master Previous Module. Ensure you're connecting in the right sequence. Please make sure the communications fly lead is firmly in place. If it's not secured properly, you will have communications issues. The test bus should be looped from the master to the first channel board and any subsequent channel boards. Stacker brackets are used for conserving space if required. This allows multiple modules to be stacked together whilst giving you the space to access the terminals. The same DIN rail mounting process is used. Wiring from the channel board to the individual RCDs. With the recommended orange coloured building wire or multi-core cable, wire from a channel on the channel board to the first RCD required for testing. This wiring should parallel up with the field wiring. This is how the system leaks current to create the fault that is being measured for the RCD trip time test. The wiring configuration will be guided by the installer. You'll need to program the master exactly the way the RCDs are wired to the channel board, or there'll be incorrect data in your reports. You can wire down or across. It's the installer's responsibility to ensure each RCD is connected to the appropriate channel on the channel board. Rapid Test Master Verification Process for model numbers RTTUWF and RTMC8. It is not necessary to calibrate the Rapid Test unit due to the design which inherently allows for component tolerance and is highly stable due to the use of a microcontroller giving consistent and repeatable operation. It is, however, possible to verify the operation using an external reference. If you wish to have provision for verification on your Rapid Test Master unit, you'll need to set aside one channel for this purpose. This channel is wired to the Verification Test Socket, VTS, which allows the connection of an external verification device such as the Seaward PowerCheck 1557 via the Verification Test Lead, VTL. The master unit can then be verified against a known source. The VTS and VTL may be purchased from Rapid Test Systems. Connecting to the master for the first time for programming and testing purposes. Download the Rapid Test app. Rapid Test can be used on a Windows, iOS or Android tablet. Download the app from the appropriate app store. This video uses Windows as an example. Open the Microsoft Store, enter Rapid Test in the top right search bar. Select the Rapid Test app, press Install. If prompted, log into your account or press Create One and follow the prompts. The app downloads, press Launch to open or click the icon on the desktop. Enter your details to log on to the app. Create a business. To create a business, press New Business at the bottom of the screen. Enter business details in the pop-up window. Press OK to save. Compulsory fields will be highlighted with red text if data is missing when saving. The business is displayed in the Business box in the left side panel. Create a site. To create a site, press on the required business to link it to. Press the I button. Press Add Site to this business on the pop-up menu that opens. Enter site details in the pop-up box that opens. Press OK to save. The site is displayed in the Sites box in the right side panel. Create a switchboard. To create a switchboard, press Boards on the required site. The switchboard overview screen opens. Press New in the top left corner. Enter switchboard details in the pop-up box that opens. Press OK to save. The switchboard is displayed. Press on the switchboard to select it. Press New at the top of the Channel Boards column. A channel board appears in the list. Press to select the channel board. A list of channels appears in the right column. Press Edit on the required channel. Enter channel details in the pop-up box that opens. Press OK to save. To save time, use the Copy functionality to copy data to other channels. Press Show Copy. Use the toggles to select which data to copy. Enter the channel numbers to copy this information to. Configured channels are labelled in green. Channels that have not been configured are labelled in blue. Repeat for all required channels on the board. Press Back in the top left corner once setup is complete. Create an inspection and test. Add an inspection on the required site. Enter a name and ID for the inspection. Verify the next test date field is correct. The inspection is displayed. Press Start Test on the required inspection. A list of available Rapid Test Wi-Fi networks is displayed. Connect to the required one. Enter the password in the pop-up box. The default password is Rapid Test, lowercase, and it is case sensitive. Clicks may be heard, which indicate the tablet is connecting to the switchboard. A series of checks is carried out to verify the data and configuration in the app and switchboard match. Select the required switchboard to link to. Press OK. The test screen opens displaying the switchboard details to be tested. Ensure the RCDs are turned on before testing. Press to select an individual channel or select Enable All. Enabled channels are highlighted. Press Test to test individual channels or press Test All Enabled to start automatic testing. Tests are carried out in channel order. The highlighted channel is the test in progress. Pass and fail status and test details are updated for each channel. Remember to reset the RCDs after testing. Reporting. Navigate to the Report area using the Report tab at the top of the screen. Press to select the required business and inspection. Tested switchboard are displayed in the switchboards box. 2 reports are available. Press on the required report to open. Complete PDF shows all tests carried out. Failed PDF shows failed tests only. Upload. A subscription is required to upload to the portal. It is necessary to connect to your Wi-Fi or mobile network. Navigate to the report area using the Report tab at the top of the screen. Press on the required business and inspection. Press Upload. The data is uploaded to the portal. Troubleshooting. If you get the message topology not found, it could be because of one of the following reasons. Check that you have power to and that the LED light is flashing on the master unit. Check you are connected to the right master unit. Check you have bridged the lockout switch on the Wi-Fi master. Check communication fly lead is located correctly. Portal subscription. The Rapid Test Portal is a reporting tool which uses data uploaded from the app. Reports show the RCD test compliance status of businesses and sites. A subscription is required to use the portal. Create a subscription via the Rapid Test website. Click on the menu Inspection Portal and choose Subscriptions. Details of the 3 subscription levels are displayed. Use the table to easily compare what's included with each. Select the required level to purchase. Click Next. Enter your details and a password. Press Continue. Select any extra boards required. Press Continue. Confirm the details. Press Continue. Enter payment details. Press Make Payment. Subscription is now complete. Log on to the portal using your email and chosen password. Log on to the portal. Log on to the portal via the Rapid Test website or www.assetdata.info. Go to www.rapidtestsystems.com.au. Select Sign In to the Inspection Portal. The logon screen opens. This is the same if accessing via www.assetdata.info. Enter the email address and password created in the subscription. Click on Log Me In. The portal opens. The default dashboard screen is displayed. Portal functionality. The portal has 4 main areas: Dashboard, Live Data, Reports, and Master Filter. Use the left menu to navigate between areas. Dashboard. The dashboard provides a visual snapshot of the ongoing compliance of sites. The left graph is an overview of switchboards overdue for testing in the last 12 months. Click on the dots to select a month. The right graph shows what is due for testing in the next 12 months. Click on the dots to select a month. A summary and site details for the month selected are displayed. This helps plan the workforce accordingly. Live Data. Live Data is a detailed reporting tool showing historical test data for every test uploaded. Drill down using the arrows to view more detailed data from business to RCD level. The compliance status of the switchboard is displayed. Reports. Test reports and compliance certificates can be generated. From the menu, choose to run a business, site, switchboard or RCD report. The selected report is displayed showing the compliance status. Master Filter. The Master Filter provides the ability to select the required data for reporting. Apply the Master Filter to live data or reports. Filter the data by business, site or switchboard. For further information, please call Rapid Test on 1300 RT 1300.